We just checked into the Fairfield by Marriott. It's a cozy little room. It's very small, but it's very cozy. When you come in, there is your tea and coffee area here where they have a supply of tea and coffee in the kettle for us. Our safe is there. We have a small refrigerator. And here's a closet. It's a small closet, but it will do. We have a couple of robes and slippers. Jeff took the slippers out already. And as we go further into the room, there's not a whole lot of space for luggage, but maybe we have too much luggage.
Yeah, we have too much luggage.
And we have a nice king size bed and some cool lamps.
Yeah, really cool lamps.
We have
Extra pillows. I asked for extra pillows, and because Monica loves pillows.
We have USB ports there.
Yeah, so USB ports.
And,
Cool.
which comes in handy.
The TV's in Korean, so we'll have to figure out how to see if it goes in
A nice
English.
little sitting area.
Yeah, sitting area there.
Yeah, and a not too bad view of the town below us, the streets below us. It's supposed to be a quiet room, so hopefully it will be. And around the corner is a bathroom, a little toilet area there, and a shower. The
Wow.
shower is quite roomy.
Wow, big.
So, yeah,
For tall people, great. Love that.
yeah. And that's our room at the Fairfield by Marriott.
Yay.